Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go. Edexcel, non-calc paper, November 17. Let's have a look. Okay, now OneNote from Microsoft has been playing up. They've updated everything and it's not working properly. But we'll see whether we can, how we can get around this. Pop-ups and all sorts of rubbish everywhere. Let's, come on, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, it's just become unusable, this software. There we go, let's get rid of that. Right, let's see, change 365 centimeters into meters. Don't know what that is. It's 3.65 meters, 2,700 grams, 10 plus 7, 70, 72. Yeah, 7 times 10 is 70 plus 2. Y equals 4. Y over 4 equals 10 plus 5, so y equals 10.5 times 4, which is 40, 4 5s, that's 42. 4 numbers. Which one of these numbers in the box makes the correct calculation to minus 7? So minus 9 plus minus 9 plus 2. First 4 terms of a number sequence. The rule to continue is multiply the previous by 2 and then add 1. So what's the next term? So 46 add 1 is 47. 5 straight rods, all the measurements. Write a formula as simply as possible for terms of L. So L equals A minus 1 plus A plus A plus A plus A plus 4. How many A's have we got now? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's. Minus 1 plus 4, 5a minus 3. Write down the coordinates of point A. So x first, 6 minus 2. Plot the point 2, 9 and label it B. 2, 9 and label it B. 2, 9 and label it B. Okay. Does the point B lie on a straight line with 4 and x? Well, if we have x and y and 2, 9, so if we make that 2, so 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9, so y does equal 9. So y equals 4x plus 1, and 2 and 9 do fit, yes. On the grid, draw the line x equals minus 2. X equals minus 2, so that's there, minus 2. So we need a straight line that goes there, x equals minus 2. The length of a rectangle is twice as long as the width of a rectangle. The area is 32. Draw it. Right, so 32. So if we have a rectangle here, this is x and this is 2x, and together they make 32. So 2x squared equals 32. So divide by 2, x squared equals 16, square root x equals the square root of 16, so x equals 4, so therefore the sides are 4 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up there and along there, yeah? So that's 4, that's 8. Jackie wants to work out 3480 divided by 5. So she divides by 10 to get that. So that is, so divide by, because 10 divided, oh, she's halved it, yeah? No, should be 348 times 2, which equals 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 3s are 6, so it should be 696. John and Sarah played a computer game 6 times. Which are the most consistent? Consistent is to do with range. So Jake's range is 12 minus 8, which equals 4. Sarah's range is 14 minus 2, which equals 10. So the most consistent there is Jake. Stem and leaf diagram shows different information about the scores. That equals 12. Jake said the modal score is 6 points because 6 occurs the most often. Yeah, well, but that is not 6 on its own. That's 26. So 26. So 26 is mode, not 6. "30 children in nursery school, 1 adult for 8 children. So we will need an adult for 8 children, and 2 adults for 16 children, and 3 adults for 24 children, and 4 adults for 32 children. There are only 30 children, so we need 4 adults. 2 more children join the nurseries. Remember there was 30, so now plus 2 equals 32. Doesn't make any difference because we still need 4, because 32 divided by 8 children equals 4. 45 rabbits, 30 of the rabbits are male. So we've got 30 males. 8 female rabbits have short hair. So we've got 45 rabbits, so there must be 15 females, 8 of which have short hair, therefore 7 have long hair. 12 of the rabbits with long hair are male, so we've got 12 long hairs, that makes 18 short hairs. Add that up to 45, that's 19, that's 26. 26 and 19 make 45. One of Emma's rabbits are chosen at random. Write down the probability of this. Female with short hair. Female with short hair is 8, so it would be 8 out of the 45 rabbits. The total surface area of the cube is 294. Work out the volume. So we've got the cube there, and 6 sides, so 294, divide that by 6. 4 6s are 24, 5 6s are 30, so that's 4 with 5 over and 6 9s. So each area is 49. Area of one side is 49 centimeters squared. So to find the lengths of the sides, you do the square root of 49, which equals 7. So that means every length is 7. So the volume is 7 times 7 times 7, which is 7 times 49. 7 9s 63, and 7 4s are 28, plus that is 34. So it's 434 centimeters cubed. Which of the two fractions are closer to 1? Well, that is 5/7, so that is 2/7 away from 1, and that is 2/5 away from 1. 2/7 is smaller, so this one's closer, so 2/7. There are only red, yellow, orange buttons in a jar. The number of buttons, the number of yellow buttons. What percentage of the buttons in the jar are orange? So we've got red, yellow, and orange is 7, 4, 9. So the orange ones are 9 out of how many altogether? 11, 9 out of 20. So 9/20 is 4.5 over 10. So that's 4.5 tenths times 100. Yeah, cancel. 10 times 40, 4.5 is 45%. And each Benerica wants to buy some t-shirts. Each t-shirt's $5.80. She does a calculation. 40 times 6 is 240 to estimate. Actual cost is less. So 35 rounded to 40 and £5.80 rounded to 6. So answer is less than 240. Got some calculations down here. What's this? I don't know what that is. It got stuck last time I did this. OneNote packed up on me because of all these bloody pop-ups. So, what's this? I've got to hear these pop-ups, stupid. So, a special offer. £5.80 each, buy 30 and you get 10% off. So, we just work out what £5.80 is times how many t-shirts we buy. 35. So 5 noughts a naught, 5 eighths are 40, 5 fives are 25, so that's 29. So 3 naught, 3 eighths are 24, and 3 fives are 15, 17. So add all that together. What was that? 2, 9, 10, and 2. 203. 203. So we've got £203. We want 10% of that as a discount, which will be £20.30. So 203 minus £20.30 is 7 2 8 1 182.70. Let's double check on that one. Double check, see whether they've got that. That was question don't know. Dangerous. Yeah. That's question 16. So let's come down to 16, make sure we've got that right. Now they got 182.70. Actual cost of buying 35 t-shirts. So let's add 10%. 182. Oh yeah, that is right. What am I doing? 182, that is right. Okay, 3 cards in a box A and 3 cards in box B. Brian takes a random card from box A and a card from box B. He adds together the numbers on 2 cards to get total score. What's the probability that total score is odd? So he could pick a 3 plus a 9, a 3 plus a 2, and a 3 plus a 3, or a 4 plus a 9, and a 4 plus a 2, and a 4 plus a 3, or indeed a 5 plus a 9, a 5 plus a 2, and a 5 plus a 3. How many are odd? So that's 12, 5, 6, 13, 6, 7, 14, 7, and 8. So we got 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 out of 9 altogether. Harry Keegan and his share up money in the ratio. How much does Keegan get? So 2 plus 5 plus 3 equals 10. 450 divided by 10 equals 45. And Keelan is this one here. So 3 times 45 is 135. Here's a list of ingredients for making flapjacks, 16 of them. We want to make 24, so we need to make another 8. So you need half as much as that. So you need 60, 70, 125, and 1. Add these two together and you have the answer. So that's 180, 210, 375, and 3 spoons of syrup. Don't forget to subscribe. Right, Amy and Josh use a calculator to work all that stuff out. Amy's answer is that one of the use approximations to find out. So I'm going to call that 1600. Now this is 4 squared, which is 16. And if I call that 4, then I get a nice round number down here. So I get 600 divided by 20. Cross that out, that equals 30. So 30 is closer to Amy. So Amy. Right, give your answer in standard form. Right, so that is 6 times 10 to the minus 2 times 3 times 10 to the minus 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 1, 2. Right, so 3 sixes are 18, so I get 18 times 10 to the minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6 divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 2. So minus 6 minus minus 2 is minus 4. So I get 18 times 10 to the minus 4, which is 1.8 times 10 to the minus 3. Work out 2/5 plus a quarter. Okay, so common denominator, 5 fours are 20, cross multiply, 2 fours are 8, and 5 ones are 5. So that equals 13 over 20. Work out the value of 2 to the minus 3. So we got 2 to the minus 3. So reciprocal, 1 over 2 to the 3. 2 to the 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So it equals 1 over 8. 36 is a product of its prime factors. So 36, 3 12s, 3 4s, and 2 2s. So this is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 36. I don't know whether they want it in index form, but it could write that anyway. Times 3 squared equals 36. A very, very common question this throughout all the exam boards, and they always use number 36 as well. So that's fine. Right. Korea is 7 years older than Jay. Martha is twice as old as Korea. The sum of their ages is 77. So right, 77. So J equals call J x plus Korea, which is x plus 7, plus Martha, which is twice as that, twice as old as that, which is x plus 7 times 2, which is 2x plus 14 plus 7 plus x equals 77. Let's tidy this up, yeah. X, it's 4x plus 21 plus 21. Take that away from that, it'll give 50, 56. 56 equals 4x. Divide by 4. 56 divided by 4, which is 1 and 4. 14 equals x. Right, so we've got Korea and J and Martha. Now J is going to be 14, Korea is 21, and Martha is 42. Let me simplify that. Divide it all by 7. Yeah. 3, 2, 7, 7, 6. 3, 2, 6. 3, 2, 6. What number is that? 24. Let's count down here. 24. Make sure it's right. That was 25. 40. Oh, they didn't simplify it. But yeah. Perhaps you don't need to simplify it, because then... Oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah. I'll go with that, because that's the actual ages. Yeah. Don't need to simplify it. Oh, what's this? ABC to the parallelogram. EDC is a straight line. F is the point. F is a point on AD. F is a point on AD. So that BF, oh, that's a straight line as well. Show that angle ABF is 70. ABF, that one there. Right. So AFB, so AFB equals 35, and that is vertically opposite. Okay, so that is 35. Now we must have something going on with angles between straight lines and things. So this is parallel, so just going to extend that a little bit so that it looks a bit more like, and I get an opposite thing here. So that's 75, yeah. So that one's 75. So FAB will also be 75, because this and this are parallel lines. So FAB is 75. So that's corresponding. Corresponding angles. Right, so this one is going to be 180, take away what there. So ABF equals 180, take away 75, that's 110. 110. Oh yeah, look at that, equals 70. Yeah, and so that one's is angles in a triangle equal 180. Right. The diagram shows a logo made from 3 circles. Each circle has a center O. Daisy said that exactly 1/3 of the logo is shaded. Is she correct? Right. Let's do the big circle. The big circle, yeah, is pi r squared. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which equals pi 10 squared, which equals 100 pi. Yep. Middle actually that's the whole, isn't it? That's everything, yeah. So the middle is pi r squared again, and this is 7, so this equals 7 squared pi, which equals 49 pi. The small, there's going to be a combination of here, isn't it, that we can take one away from the other and try and work that out. So that's 4 squared pi, which equals 16 pi. Now, the shaded bit is going to be the middle minus the small. So the shaded is 49 pi minus 16 pi, which equals 33 pi. So the shaded is 33 pi, the whole thing is 100 pi, so that's not quite a third, is it? Because it's 100 over 99. So the exactly a third. So the shaded fraction is, what do we say, 33 out of 100. Yeah, which is 33. Yeah, a third will be 99, and 1/3 is exactly 33 out of 100. 1/3 would be 33 out of 99. So Daisy is wrong. The table shows information about the weekly earnings of 20 people who work in a shop. Work out an estimate for the mean. So the mean, we have to add up the frequencies, right? So 1, 12, 17, 20. So we've got 20 altogether. Then we have to do the total of these things. Now we have to choose a midpoint. So we'll have a midpoint there. So halfway between 150 and 250 is 200. So we've got 1 times 200 equals 200. And we've got 11 times 300. Oh, 11 times 300 is 3,300. 5 times 400 is 2,000. And nothing, don't count. And 3 times 600 is 1,800. Let's add all these up together. 0, 0, 3 and 8 are 11. And, oh no, get these in order. 13, sorry, it's 13. And then we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we've got 7,300. So we've got 7,300 divided by 20, which is 730 divided by 2, which is 3, and 1 over is 2 6s, now 1 over and 5. So we've got £365 as the mean wage. The mean may not be the best average to represent this information. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yeah, I suppose I do. Yeah. Because, whoops, it includes what we call outliers. Now, outliers are these things, such as 3 times 600 earnings. they're going to skew it to make it a bit higher, aren't they? What are we up to? Oh, it's a rectangle. Right, here's a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 48. Show that y equals 3. So the area is 48. Right, so that equals that, doesn't it? So let's do that first. 2x plus 6, because we've got to find the value of x, equals 5x minus 9. So let's take away 2 x's from both sides. So we'd have 6 equals 3x minus 9. Add 9, so that'd be 15 equals 3x. So x would be equal to 5, right? So x is equal to 5. So then just take one of these and work out the area by multiplying these two. So we've got 2x plus 6 times y equals 48. But we can work out that little bit first, yeah? Because we know what x is. So that's 10 plus 6. So that's 16y equals 48. So y equals 48 divided by 16, which equals 3. Right, Borgen needs to draw the graph of that. What thing? Oh, we use straight lines. Yeah, it should be a nice curve. In a sale, the normal price of the book is reduced by 30%. The sale price is $2.80. What's the normal price of the book? So this is 30% reduced. So this is now 70% of the original price. So 2.8 divided by 70 times 100 finds us the normal price. Let's cross that out, cross that out. So that is 28 divided by 7, which equals £40. I think we're right there. We're right there. Let's see where we can go. Oh, let's go on some other stuff there. Why would I put £40? Bonkers. Yeah, get lost you. Right, that's the end of that one. Let's go back up to the top somewhere. There we go. Right, so come back to here and back to me. Somewhere there I am in the corner. Right, okay, so that was that one. That was a nice one, that one. Edexcel non-calc 2017. Good. I hope you're going to subscribe to the channel and make it grow. Leave a comment. Did I do something wrong? Do you want me to do something else? Put your thumbs up, say you've watched it, all that kind of stuff. There's more videos down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.